Now we are going to start the numerical based on Henry's law. The numerical is the solubility of N2 gas in water at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 bar is 6.85 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter. Calculate. Here there are two questions. First one is Henry's law constant. Calculate the Henry's law constant. And second one is calculate molarity of N2 gas dissolved in water under atmospheric condition when partial pressure of N2 in atmosphere is 0.75 bar. First of all, we must have to write the given. In numerical, the solubility of N2 gas is 6.85 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter. Here we write the solubility of N2 gas. Solubility of the gas is represented by the capital S, which is 6.85 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter, and pressure of N2 gas is 1 bar. This value is mentioned here. Now first question is calculate the Henry's law constant. Now Henry's laws is given by S is directly proportional to the P. S is equal to KHP. S means solubility of gas, P is the pressure, K is the Henry's law constant or proportionality constant. Now we must have to calculate the KH. Now this formula is generated like this: KH is equal to S upon P. We put up the value of the S, 6.85 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter, divided by the value of the pressure, 1 bar. We will get here answer of KH, that is the Henry's law constant, is equal to 6.85 into 10 raised to minus 4. This mole per liter, bar become inverse, bar inverse. Now second question is calculate molarity of N2 gas dissolved in water under atmospheric condition when partial pressure of the N2 gas in atmosphere is 0.75 bar. Here we must have to calculate the molarity of N2 gas. We must have the knowledge about the molarity, which is understand in the 11th standard. The molarity of concept is that the definition of molarity is that number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, and the unit of molarity is mole per liter or mole per dm3. This unit or this concept is similar to that of the solubility of the solute. That's why here molarity concept is similar to the solubility. That's why here we must have to calculate the solubility of N2 gas dissolved in water. That means the molarity of N2 gas means solubility of N2 gas. Now according to the Henry's law formula, S is equal to KHP. S is the solubility of gas, P is the pressure, KH is the proportionality constant or Henry constant. Here in second numerical second sub question, S means we must have to calculate the solubility of the N2 gas. The value of P is already given in a numerical here, 0.75 bar, and value of KH just we have calculated. Now put up both the value in given formula: 6.85 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter per bar into the value of P is the pressure is the 0.75 bar. This multiplication means the answer of yes. The answer of yes is 5.138 into 10 raised to minus 4, and unit is mole, mole, letter inverse, and either bar inverse and only bar get cancelled with each other, and the unit of solubility is mole per liter. This unit is similar to the unit of molarity. That's why in the question, molarity of N2 gas means solubility of N2 gas. Are you understand? This numerical is based on Henry's law.